Welcome to my channel. This video will guide you through a simple setup process, making it easy for you to get started with Hyper-V and explore its benefits. This includes how to enable Hyper-V, how to configure Hyper-V settings, and tips if you run into some issues during the setup. This will provide you with a solid understanding of how to create a virtual machine using Hyper-V on Windows 11. What is Hyper-V? Hyper-V is Microsoft's virtualization technology, or hypervisor, built into Windows that allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single PC using virtual machines. By using Hyper-V on Windows 11, IT professionals, developers, or students can eliminate the need for physical hardware while enjoying the convenience of running different operating systems and applications on a single device. Before we begin, make sure that your system is compatible. Hyper-V requires Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise, 64-bit processor, minimum of 4 GB RAM, and you need to prepare a Windows 11 ISO image, which you can download from Microsoft site. To enable Hyper-V, navigate to the control panel, select Programs, then Programs and Features, select Turn Windows Features on or off, select Hyper-V and then select OK. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once completed, click on Restart Now to restart your computer. Create a virtual machine and install an operating system in your new virtual machine. Open Hyper-V Manager. In Hyper-V Manager, select Action, New, Virtual Machine to bring up the new virtual machine wizard. Review the Before You Begin content and select Next. Give the virtual machine a name. This is the name Hyper-V uses for the virtual machine, not the computer name given to the guest operating system that will be deployed inside the virtual machine. Select a generation for the machine and select Next. Since we will be running Windows 11, select Generation 2. Select 4096 MB for the default value for the startup memory value and leave Use Dynamic Memory selected. Select the Next button. On the Configure Networking wizard, select a virtual switch for the virtual machine and select Next. Give the virtual hard drive a name, select a location or keep the default, and finally, specify a size. Select Next when ready. On the Installation Options wizard, select Install an operating system from a bootable image file, and then select an operating system ISO file. Select Next once completed. Review the virtual machine details and select Finish to complete the virtual machine creation. In order to finish building your virtual machine, you need to start the virtual machine and walk through the operating system installation. In Hyper-V Manager, select Start button. Wait for the Hyper-V machine to boot. This is like pressing the power button on a physical computer. Click Connect. The virtual machine boots into setup, and you can walk through the installation like you would on a physical computer. If during setup you encounter this screen, press Tab key on your keyboard, press Enter, then press Spacebar. If you saw the message does not meet system requirements, turn off the VM, select Settings, click Security, disable Secure Boot, and enable TPM. If the message says Lost Internet Connection, click Virtual Switch Manager, click External, click Create Virtual Switch, click Apply. Click VM Settings, click Network Adapter, Select the new virtual switch. To connect to the virtual machine, open Hyper-V Manager. In Hyper-V Manager, go to your virtual machine and click Connect. Log in when prompted. Now that you have enabled Hyper-V and created your first virtual machine on your Windows 11 PC, it's time to explore the full potential of this virtualization tool. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.